Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
So let's take a look at some other things you can do to boost engagement here on YouTube. Community posts. You can access community posts by downloading the YouTube Creator app on Android or the App Store, or you can simply go to your YouTube channel. Click on Community, and you'll be able to add as many posts as you want. See? I'll just engage with my audience and try to build a family there. It's not something I'll always use to shout out videos, but I will if I've used a good thumbnail and I think the click-through rate is good and convincing. So what I did was 10 cheapest places in Canada. I knew that would be top 10s are always popular. I like the thumbnail here. I like the thumbnail here. Eating spicy bullfrog is really strange. I was really content with this vlog, so I usually put those there, but I also introduced posts, you know, good engaging pictures about what I'm doing in my day. Did you check out my latest vlog? It was fun. Want to see more daily videos. Over here, you know, we went to snowboarding here in Canada, so it matches the theme of my channel. I'm engaging my audience. They get some likes. You know, sometimes it's more likes than I get on Facebook, which is pretty sad. But you know, this is a great way to engage people who are coming to your channel, and I see lots of larger YouTubers that don't use it, and the truth is, if larger YouTubers actually use the community tab, they would grow even more. But so many of them don't. They don't take advantage of the community tab. When you post here, it goes on the front page of YouTube. So what I recommend you do is either using the Creator Studio or the YouTube app on your phone, go and create community posts. And there's no specific time, there's no upload schedule, just when you feel like it, or when you feel like, you know, posting about your videos. See, a week ago we were 9 subscribers away from 5,000. Now we're at 5,151. So I'm growing faster and faster each day. I think Social Blade is going to update and show, you know, my growth to be, you know, faster than it is right now. But use the community post, shout out your milestones, engage with your community. It's a great way to start building that YouTube family and growing your audience. The next thing on our list to grow your YouTube audience is to look for Facebook groups. Facebook groups are a great way to find new people to watch your videos. So you can head in over to Facebook groups or simply search them over here. Just type in YouTube, and we're going to try to find some YouTube groups that I am a part of. I'm a part of a VidCon creators group, I'm a part of a YouTube group, I'm a part of so many different random groups that, you know, I don't even understand. This is the Discovery tab, so I can actually look for YouTube groups. YouTube community group, we have YouTube creators in Cincinnati, small YouTubers boost, so we're going to go into any of them. Small YouTubers boost. Let's see, we have already joined this community, so what you can do is read the rules of every group that you're joining on Facebook and find ways to interact with the community. So for example, my goal this year was 200 subscribers, but I didn't make it. What was your goal? You can write like, don't worry, you'll definitely make it soon. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So offer some good advice, and then you can plug your channel. So you can say, my goal was 5,000 and I hit it, and I know you can do the same and more. I really hope this is my link. Let's see if it works. That's not my link. It's Nader videos. Let's see where we can find it. You actually want to put your real link in there. Most people remember theirs, but I've changed mine like 50 times, so go in there. You can actually just put your organic channel URL, and here we are. We're gonna post it in the group, and bam, we should have it work now. And there we go, it's working. So let's make sure we're abiding by the rules. Gain knowledge, feedback. Okay, so the only 4 rules are: on post links, need a content description. Okay, and no links on someone else's post unless asked. So we're gonna actually go and edit that, and we're gonna take this out. We're technically not asked to post a link, so I'm gonna remove that. And I'm actually going to make a new post. I'm gonna ask for feedback. I create videos for international students and people moving to Canada, and I'd love some feedback if you have any. feel free to drop your channels in the comment section. So there we go. I've asked, and I've also dropped mine and post and small YouTubers boost. So it's been submitted, someone's going to approve that, but I'm just really becoming a part of the community. So again, join as many groups as you can, join groups that seem to fit your target audience. The next thing you want to do is read the rules, make sure you're not breaking any of them, and then engage accordingly. So that's just an example, a good 3 or 4 minutes of us engaging in a small YouTubers boost. I'm thinking about creating a group for this course specifically to go and boost your content, and if I do, you will see that in a post, just a nice written post here on the platform, and you'll be able to go and join the group and interact with other people taking this course. Anyway, thank you for watching, and let's continue. This video is about something very simple. In this lesson we're going to be talking about hearting and pinning posts. When you heart posts, it actually boosts you on the algorithm, so you want to try to heart as many posts as possible, and try to pin a post. So when you pin a post and when you heart post, it shows that there's interactions happening on that video. So for every video, try to heart at least 1 comment, and try to pin, well, you can only pin 1 comment, so you want to do that for both, and that's going to boost you on the algorithm. But let's talk about how to get more engagements on your videos. Question of the day. I didn't do it here, I asked for people to shout out my channel, but here we go. If you go hashtag QOTD, and then you write, let's see, what's the video about? Why do you want to move to Canada? Question mark. We can post that and pin it. So not only is the pinning the comment giving us an algorithmic boost on YouTube, but you may also get some comments because people see this hashtag QOTD highlighted, and they'll go and answer underneath. And then once that happens, you get more and more engagement just because of that 1 comment that you left, plus the algorithmic boost of pinning. You can go and heart all those comments, and you can eventually reply to them. And we're going to talk about responding to your community effectively and in the most fast way and efficient way possible in the next video, but try doing that. Heart as many posts as you can, and make sure you pin comments, because you'll get that algorithm boost even if it's small. This next video is about responding to your community, and we talked about the YouTube Studio app and the Creator apps that you could download on iOS or Android. You could download there and respond in the YouTube Studio on your mobile device, sitting in bed, sitting on the toilet, going to work, sitting on the subway. But you can also do it right here on your desktop by going to the YouTube Creator Studio. And once you do that, you go to View All. This will also be easily accessible on the newer, I've clicked something funny here. But yeah, jump right in. And just scroll down to the comments and hit View All. Once you do that, you'll get to respond to all of the comments once this dashboard loads. And individually, just look at the ones that don't have hearts and don't have replies, and just start responding. So this guy says, keep working hard. He has 3K subscribers. Thanks, Atomics, you too. I see your channel is growing. So I hearted it. This guy's asking, hey brother, I'm looking for 2019 September intake in Dalhousie University. The question is, so I'm going to actually go, as tedious as this may be, it's really important. So this guy, 3:30 a.m. here in India, I'm binge watching your videos. I like that comment, and so did some other people, but I didn't get to respond. So it's so important to go ahead, a highly underrated video. People are saying amazing things. Once this starts happening, you want to respond to literally everybody. There's no reason why you shouldn't respond to everybody's comments in the beginning stages. Once you have over 10K subscribers, it's going to start getting really hard. But I recommend, even if like you're making money through YouTube, I'll even hire someone to pin, respond, and heart to comments once you start bringing in massive revenue. If that happens, I'm not promising it will. It may happen. You may do way better than me. You may not do as well. You may do the same. But eventually, hopefully, if this goes as well as possible for you, you'll be racking in some revenue. And when that happens, you want to go and respond to comments. You want to be, helpful, and you want to engage with your community so they know that you care about them as well. It's super important. I know you can do it. Go and engage with your community.